So we're on 12th Street and First Avenue. They have this amazing mac and cheese. Okay, it's called Smack. And I know it's a Lunar New Year, right? So we are going to, this is my noodles to make it light for, you know, for the long life noodles. So here we are. So this is Smack. I think they have the best mac and cheese.
At least yours are prescribed. I
And
just make my own app.
they have also community service, and which is really nice. And it's see, take what you need. And they have like beans, nuts for people for free. And the food is amazing. So this is on 12th Street. It's Sarita. So Sarita, she's just awesome. Just really awesome. So this is Sarita mac and cheese.
This is mac and cheese.
It's just an incredible place. And it's on 12th Street. Welcome to New York. And that's First Avenue. And this is 12th Street. So First Avenue and 12th Street, right at the corner. So they have like the All-American, which I normally have that. Sometimes I have the 4 cheese. I also like the cheeseburger. Or the Napolitana. I like the Parisian too. They also have vegan. And wow, they now have Philly cheesesteak. And we love our Sarita. So we ordered the La Mancha. That's Manchego fennel onion. We also ordered the Parisian. Brie mushroom. Rosemary and figs. We ordered a Napolitana. The mozzarella, tomatoes, basil, and garlic. The all-American American cheddar. The American cheddar ground beef, called a cheeseburger. And then I ordered the 4 cheese, which is cheddar, monster, gruyere, and pepperoni, and a Cajun. I love spicy stuff. Pepper jack, onion, celery, pepper sausages, and the Alpine. A slab of bacon. Oh, yum, yum, yum. So, can't wait. So this is, we also order with extra breadcrumbs. All different type. You know what I love? I love to put mine with Tabasco. And also crushed red pepper. And it's, look, it's super, super rich. If you open it up, look at that. See? It all comes in different things. And it's really incredible. Look how cheesy this is. And all of them. This is why it's so amazingly good. And we got it all different, 8 different kinds. Because we want to get the sampler. So if you order it, definitely get the sampler. See? Bon appetit, everybody. So this is how I eat it. With lots of hot pepper and Tabasco. Because I didn't want to ruin my friend and mixing it up, but my favorite so far is the bacon. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy.